What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to full screen in Google Meet. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the browser search bar type in Google Meet, or you can simply just type in meet.google.com to access the Google Meet's website. But if you only write Google Meet in the search bar, you will see the first official website of Google Meet. Just click on that website and then you will be welcome to this dashboard of Google Meet. Now make sure you are logged in with Google Meet with the same Google account. And after that, for this video, I will show you how to create full screen in Google Meet in your laptop. So I will start an instant meeting, and to start an instant meeting, click on this new meeting, and here you have three options: create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, schedule in Google Calendar. You can choose anyone from these if you want to create meeting for later or if you want to schedule a meeting. But if I want to start an instant meeting, so I'll just click on this. And after joining in the meeting, on the bottom, you will see the option of these three dots, more options. Click on this, and from here, you will see the option of full screen. Simply click on this option, and then as you can see, my laptop is now full screen on Google Meet. So this is how you can enable full screen on Google Meet. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.